You wake up in the morning, business is gone. You have $500 in your pocket, laptop, computer, place to live, all the knowledge in your head. What are you going to do first?
I am going to walk around my city
Okay.
and I am going to stop by all the shop owners and I'm going to ask them, what are 3 things that you're having a problem with right now? I'm going to write it all down and I'm going to identify what the common patterns are. And I'm going to figure out how I can build a service-based business, low overhead, no money, so that I can serve their pain point. Okay. I'm going to ask them if I can do and solve their problem for free. They're going to let me. And then once I complete that, they're going to give me a testimonial. Once they give me that testimonial, I'm going to ask them if they know anyone that could benefit from me solving this problem. They are going to send me clients and they're going to want their clients, their friends to pay me because I gave it to them for free. So it's going to make them feel like they need to support me back and they're going to want to send me clients and I'm going to make my first $1,000 and then I'm going to double that and I'm going to double that and I'm going to double that.